Hi, and welcome back to Holistic Tips with Nicole. Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite topics, essential oils. There are numerous benefits to using essential oils and countless ways in which we can use them. So today I'm going to review some of my favorites, let you know some of the health benefits of them, as well as show you some practical ways to apply it at home. The most common way to use essential oils is to place them in a diffuser and diffuse them throughout your home. It's a great alternative to using candles or plug-ins because they actually support the body in healing and restoring balance, not to mention uplifting our mood. The aromatic method of using essential oils by breathing in and smelling them can have a powerful effect on us emotionally and physically. Ylang ylang is an essential oil linked to love and romance, and it's also known for being an aphrodisiac and increasing libido. Because it's connected to the heart, it also helps you connect with your heart space and self-love. When it comes to the physical heart, ylang ylang is linked to lowering blood pressure and heart rate. It blends really well with bergamot, which is an oil known to help release the burden of emotional pain. It's known as the oil of self-acceptance, teaching us to accept our own uniqueness, inviting us to see life with new optimism and cleanse any negative feelings and limiting belief systems. These two oils pair beautifully and your home will smell amazing. Another method for using essential oils is topical application. It's important to use a carrier oil as a base to protect your skin from the potency of the essential oils. I like to use organic fractionated coconut oil, which just means that the coconut oil stays in liquid form and it's not greasy when you apply it to your skin. Then add 1 or 2 drops of your favorite essential oil, mix them together, and apply it to your skin. Frankincense, shown here, is known as the king of oils and the oil of truth. It's a very spiritual oil, often used during prayer and meditation. It helps cleanse spiritual darkness and opens you up to your inner light. A lot of household cleaners are full of so many toxic chemicals, and you're breathing them in every time you use them. Natural cleaners like this one are easy to make and much safer. Citrus oils such as lemon can be powerful disinfectants in recipes like these, and this multi-purpose one is safe to use on most surfaces. And one last neat little trick to keeping your bathroom smelling clean and fragrant is to put a drop or 2 of your favorite essential oil inside the roll of your toilet paper, right on the cardboard. Every time someone uses your toilet paper, they'll notice how good your bathroom smells and not even know where it's coming from. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope these tips were helpful, and I will see you soon.